In this video, we are going to show you how to connect Emergent AI to GitHub for version control. Now, once you've logged into your Emergent account, look towards your upper right corner of your screen, and it's going to be your profile icon. Now here, you want to click on this, and this pop-up will appear. You want to click on the option, as you can see here, connect on GitHub. So click on this. This pop-up will appear here on the left-hand side. If you already have an Emergent, or not an Emergent, a GitHub account, and you're logged in, you're going to be seeing this, and scroll down and click on install and authorize, like so. There we go. Connecting to GitHub. Now, as you can see, we are now connected, and it's going to reload. And if we go back clicking our profile, it says here our GitHub account. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that button. 3, 2, 1. And as you can see here, if you click on this one, it's going to bring you to our GitHub account. As you can see here, there we go. And you have everything here that is in your GitHub account, which is accessible by your Emergent account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.